Soils remain moist and excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Area creeks and streams are running high and could flood with more heavy rain. Additional details: 2 to 3 inches of additional rain is forecast, with locally higher amounts possible. Although precipitation will change to snow on Sunday, flood impacts will likely persist. People in the watch area, especially those living in areas prone to flooding, should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Monitor the latest forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Now, Flood warning in effect from this morning to early Monday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Hocking River at Enterprise. When? From this morning to early Monday afternoon. Impacts. At 14 feet, water spills into the Sheena in Logan and onto low-lying roads near Haydenville Road at some locations along the river. Also, water will be across State Route 93 just south of Logan. Flooding also occurs in Rockbridge. Additional details. At 6 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 9.8 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage lane this morning to a crest of 14.9 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage Monday morning. Flood stage is 12 feet. Flood watch is in effect through this afternoon. Flood warning is from this morning to late this afternoon. What? Minor flood forecast. Where? Little Miami River and Spring Valley. When? From this morning to late this afternoon. Impacts. At 11 feet. Flooding impacts short areas of Middletown and Waynesville roads, in addition to Core 1 Road and Core 1 Park. Backwater flooding may impact Route 725 in Creek Township. Additional details. At 7 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 10.9 feet. The river will continue to rise to near 11.5 feet this afternoon before slowly receding later today. Flood stage is 11 feet. Here is a winter weather advisory. Flood warning in effect until 12:45 p.m. this afternoon. What? Urban areas and small streams flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Coshocton, Western Guernsey, Muskingum, West Central Noble, and Tuscarawas. When? Until 12:45 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details. At 9:38 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zanesville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, Cambridge, New Comerstown, Strasburg, New Concord, West Lafayette, Cigar Creek, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frazeysburg, Oliver, Baltic, Philo, Mineral City, Warsaw, and Port Washington. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood warning in effect until 11:15 a.m. this morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southeast Ohio.